So if you could pop this on for me. So
Gotta find the right place in this sleeve, I'm afraid.
it's a complicated.
Okay. From the front?
Yep. So
okay.
You would want to bring it up to your ankle bone. Okay. So bring this up to the ankles, and then you want the edge of the yukata to go straight down the body on both sides, so the same here. And then using this purple belt from the back, cross it over at the front and go back to the back. Here you can adjust the tightness. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you can ask them if it's okay, and then you tie a knot, then you tie a bow, and then you tuck in the bow so that you can't see it later on. Then you would take all this loose material, so it's gaping here, so you want to pull it up through the purple belt so that it's flat. And you want to do that all the way around, and then you want to make sure this comes over the purple belt. So if you could start turning this way. And then here you'll do the same and make sure that it's all come up and down so that the straight line you created here continues. And then you want it to continue around the front, so you make sure this is all flat. Bring this over, make sure this is a straight line, which it is, and then arrange the collar so you want it quite closed. And then for the next belt, you can always put your hand in and whack the front down, close the collar, and then you put this just below their chest, and you want a little bit of skirt at the bottom. Is that okay?
Fine.
Great. Then you tie a knot and a bow here. And then again you tuck it in because we don't want to see that. And then here just check that nothing's moved. So that's moved a little bit. So I'm going to bring that down so it's straight. And then and then you ask them what color they would like.
Blue.
Blue. So could you hold that there? So you twist it and you go around them once. Make sure the belt's flat, and then around them a second time. Okay, make sure that you come around them tightly, and then thank you. You tie a normal knot like that, and then using this long bit, you go 1, 2, into the middle. Make sure you're in the middle of them. Using this, which will be hopefully folded in half, you come down and up between these two. So there's the second fold and the first. So you come up in between these. So you do that once, twice, pull it tight, and then whatever's left, you pop between this belt and this belt. Then please pop your hands up. You grab the front of just the blue belt and the back, and you pull them round. Then you adjust the bow so that it looks all nice. You hide the pink belt beneath, which you'll also do around the front. You'll check that the skirt is all in a line. It hasn't got caught. And then you're done.
How do I look?
Very good.